Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Hailey Bieber makeup tutorial, and this is a look I found on Pinterest on a picture I saw. So I'm just going to get right at it. I'm not a professional, I'm just doing this purely for fun and I hope you like it. I'm going to clip my hair back first. I washed my hands. I'm going to apply moisturizer first, just a tad bit, an Eucerin moisturizer for redness. I'm breaking out like crazy because I'm in quarantine with my family. We can't leave the house and it's really affecting my skin. My skin needs the sunlight, it needs to go out. This is not good. But yeah, tomorrow is my last day of this quarantine, so I'm happy. I'm going to apply a primer. This is the NYX Angel Veil primer and I'm just going to apply that to my T-zone. I'm going to mix these two foundations. One is the Kiko Milano Unlimited foundation and the other one is the L'Oreal Hair. I'm not sure actually. In Golden Amber. It's a bit too dark and this one's too light, so I'm going to mix them. Oh, and by the way, I'm using a stippling brush. I'm not much of a sponge person. Yeah, I'm not a fan of sponges. I do love sponges for blending things like concealer and that, but I don't like them for I don't like them for foundation. I like brushes. So when I do these videos, I realise that my English is getting worse and worse. I stumble a lot on my words. That's because I haven't been to the UK in a while. When I go there, my English gets better. I only speak English with my dad, so I mean it's not bad, it's just I stumble a bit. And I cringe on my videos. So the next thing is concealer. I'm gonna mix again, I love mixing. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer. She looks very highlighted. I lost my brush. I couldn't find my brush and it was on the floor. Yay, ew. So I had to go wash it. Yeah, with a kind of damp little brush, I'm gonna just blend this all in. The next thing I'm going to do is cream contour. I really love this one. It's from NYX. NYX. The shade light medium. I'm just going to highlight it. I also like applying my makeup with my fingers. I feel like they warm the makeup up a lot and it makes it go very much creamier than using maybe a brush or a sponge. For a more bronzy look, I'm gonna top it up with a bit of Hoola bronzer. Okay, so now I'm gonna bake MAC translucent powder. Okay, while that sets, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows as I usually do them. Nothing fancy. She has quite wispy eyebrows on the photo, so I'm just gonna put them up and make them a bit darker, define them obviously. And then with the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in brown, I'm just gonna brush them up. I love doing my eyebrows, honestly, it's the best bit. I'm just gonna take that bake off Amazing. Okay, now for the eyes, which is the center of this makeup look. Let's go. She has this kind of like cut crease thing going on. I'm going to be using it's from this Kiko Milano Green Me eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this color just as a kind of a cut crease base. I'm just going to blend it in, blend it a bit because I just wanted to give dimension. Okay, and now I'm going to go with a smaller brush from this MAC palette. I'm going to choose this brown color. Don't worry, I am going to clean it up with a concealer. Just going to blend it out a bit. There's always one eye that looks better than the other one. I'm going to cut crease. So as the light colour, she's not wearing a very shimmery colour, but it's also not completely matte. I've got this perfect one from Clinique. I'm going to cover that bit where I just cut creased. As I can see in the picture, she's wearing liquid eyeliner or some sort of eyeliner, so I can't do this on camera. Okay, so I just did the eyeliner. Let me just say, it's not about doing it exactly the same as the picture, it's just about adding your own personal style. So I just wanted to disclaim that. I kind of like this. It looks cool. I'm wearing a bit of under eye eyeshadow, so that's the next step. I'm just going to use the same eyeshadow I've used on the crease. Oh, my back. Okay, and next thing is my favorite thing is eyelashes. Yeah, I've got some eyelashes. I'm just going to use the Eyelure. They're these ones. They're from Eyelure. They're my favorite eyelashes ever. I need water. Okay, to blend this in, I'm just gonna add mascara. Under eye mascara, so I'm gonna apply it. Under eye, I mean lower lash mascara. So I'm nearly done with the eyes. I'm just gonna add a bit of highlighter. I'm gonna add this Kiko Milano highlighter. It doesn't seem to have a lot of blush, but I still like to add a touch of colour. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, not too much. And then of course I'm gonna add highlighter because, oops, I can't not do that. The ending of this look is 100% the lips. So I have quite fine lips, so I'm just gonna do what I have. I'm gonna use the only nude lip liner I have. I really need to purchase a new one, I'm sorry. But basically just get any nudie pink lip liner. I've tried to mimic her lip shape and I look ridiculous. L'Oreal lipstick in 645. It's a very creamy lipstick. She looks like she has really creamy, plump lips. Highlighter, cream highlighter. Put it on my finger. And there goes the makeup look guys. I really hoped you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun, and yeah, check out my other videos. Please like it if you liked it, and subscribe, and then follow me on Instagram and all those things. Yeah, I hope you have a nice day, have a nice week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!